Before the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists believed that this event was set to occur in about 2 million years, right?
Right. But like all things in the universe, these calculations were subject to change. These were merely theories until the James Webb Space Telescope entered the scene.
So, technically speaking, what really went wrong here?
That's correct. These predictions were largely based on the understanding of gravitational forces, the speed at which the Andromeda Galaxy is moving towards the Milky Way, and the mind-boggling distances involved. The movements of these two galaxies, spiraling towards each other, was expected to be a slow, drawn-out battle over millions of years. To put it into context, the difference in the predicted timelines for the Milky Way-Andromeda collision arises from limitations in our understanding of galactic motions and the complexities involved. This could lead to a less precise estimate, like 2 million years. Improved data and modeling. With more data from telescopes like JWST and advanced computer simulations, scientists can refine the overall picture. This can account for factors like the galaxy's masses, velocities, and dark matter distribution, leading to a more accurate prediction.
Thank you, Jenny. That was Jenny, our knowledge base bot.